Dear students, in this video I am going to solve the remaining examples of the exercise 4.3, that is, so that second one 4.3 second one I already solved first one, so that the points point A, that is A, B plus C, B plus C, B, C plus A, C, A plus B are collinear. So we are going to prove that these A, B, C, the points A, B and C are collinear. So we have a note, that is third note, the area of the triangle formed by three collinear points is 0. See here, if it is a triangle, so ABC, it has some area, but when you unfold the sides and form a straight line, the points vertices become a points, collinear points. When the sides of the triangle are unfolded and form a straight line, these vertices of the triangle become a collinear points. So here it has a area, but here it forms a straight line and it has no area, so that the area of the straight line is 0. So area of the collinear points is 0. So that we are going to prove that delta equals to 0. So they given x1 y1, that is a b plus c, because it is x1 y1, it is x2 y2 and x3 y3. See here, x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3. So we know that the formula to find area of the triangle by using determinants, that is half into delta is equals to half into x1 y1 1, x2 y2 1, x3 y3 1. Put the values, one half as it is here. X1 is A, y1 is B plus C. Similarly, we put all the values x2 y2, x3 y3. So here I am going to expand along C1 for easier calculation. You can also expand along C2, C3 or R1, R2, R3. The result is same, so that left to you. But here I am going to expand along C1 because it's quite easy. So we are going to prove that delta is equals to 0 because the area of the straight line is 0. So that we are going to prove that delta equals to 0. So that is half into, when you expand along C1, that is A, into bracket, that is so delete all the elements in rows and columns in which A exists. C plus A minus A plus B. So now minus B into bracket, delete all the elements here, the remaining things here, B plus C minus A plus B into 1, A plus B, now this plus C, delete all the elements here, B plus C into 1, B plus C, minus C plus A into 1, C plus A. Now that is half into, so A into bracket, that is, remove the bracket, C plus A minus B minus B into bracket, B plus C minus A, minus into plus minus B plus C into bracket, B plus C minus C minus into plus minus A. So here this is 1 by 2 into, so plus A minus A, here minus B plus B plus C minus C. The remaining things are A into C, AC, minus A into B, AB, minus B into C, minus BC, minus plus AB, C into B, that is BC plus BC, C into minus A minus AC. This is equals to 1 by 2 into plus AC minus AC minus AB plus AB minus BC plus BC, get cancelled, that is 0. This is equals to 1 by 2 into 0 is equals to 0. So that we have proved that delta equals to 0. Therefore, A, B and C are collinear. This is the proof. Now, question number 3. Find the values of K if area of triangle is given. When area of the triangle is given, find the values of K. So this is very simple question. See here. Find the values of K if area of triangle is 4 square units and vertices are K0, 4, 0, 0, 2. First one. Second one is it is homework for you. So let given that x1, y1, K0, x2, y2, 4, 0, x3, y3, 0, 2. They given. And delta is equal to area is given. That is a plus or minus 4. Why we are taken plus or minus 4? Because according to the note here, if area is given, use both positive and negative values of the determinant for calculation. So that is why we have taken here plus or minus 4, because area is given. So area of the triangle is 4 square units. Hence we are taken here plus or minus 4. So that we know that delta is equals to, it is the formula to find area of the triangle by using a determinant. Half into x1, y1, x2, y2, 1, x3, y3, 1. Half into, put the values of x1, y1, that is a k0, 1, x2, y2, 4, 0, 1, and x3, y3, 0, 2, 1. This is half into. So expand along maximum the row or column in which maximum number of 0 exists. Here in C2 there are maximum 2 zeros, hence I will expand along a C2. Expand along C2, that is a minus plus minus, minus 0 plus 0 plus 2 into bracket. After deleting the elements in which 2 exist in the row and columns, this is k into 1 k minus 4 into 1 minus 4. So this is equals to, here delta is given, that is a plus or minus 4. This is equals to 1 by 2 into plus or minus 4. Here 2k minus 8. 2k minus 8. So this is a mod. This is mod 2k minus 8. So that 2 is a transfer here, 2 into here, that is becomes 2k minus 8 mod is equals to, when it becomes multiply with this 4, this is plus or minus 8. So 2k minus, take out from the mod, that is plus or minus 8. When there are two values, 2k minus 8 is equals to plus 8. Then 2k is equals to, transfer 8 to right side, that is 8 plus 8. 2k is equals to 16. K is equals to 16 by 2. K is equals to 8. Similarly 2k minus 8 is equals to minus 8. Here taken plus 8. Here also there is a minus 8. Minus 8. 2k is equals to minus 8. It becomes when transferred to the right side, it becomes plus 8. So that 2k is equals to 0. So k is equals to 0 by 2. K is equals to 0. So therefore value of k is equals to 0 and 8. This is the how to find the value of k when area is given. Similarly, the fourth question, find the equation of the line joining 1, 2 and 3.